Hello, my name is Okafor Frank. I'm in Group 6, and my company name is Walmart. I'll be talking about the removal of plastic bags. Yes, and I'll be asking the question under project under project description C and D. So question number C, and I will say yes, the removal of plastic bags applies to the entire company, all department, all product lines and services, or some subsets such as one location, one department, or unique product line or services. When Walmart chooses not to encourage or engage in plastic bag removal, several negative effects can arise, impacting the environment, the company itself, and society at large. Here are some breakdown on those effects. We have Walmart-wide implementation. We have across all nations. We have subset implementation. We have pilot programming. We have test market. We have religion focuses. We have specific department and product line. We have high impact areas. We have specific product and services. Then we have department of functional focus. Under that, we have corporate social responsibility, which is CSR. So we have social responsibility goals. We have supply chains. Because of my time, I just have to brief it. And then we have the question D, that says how long does it take the planning, how long does it take for it to take. So we have planning and research. Planning and research take 2 to 4 months to be implemented, and piloting take 4 to 6 months. We have initial rollout take 6 to 4 months. Yes, initial rollout take 6 to 4 months. So how do you say that? I would say the removal of plastic bags can be implemented in various scopes within Walmart, ranging from all food companies worldwide initiative to more targeted effort in specific location, department, or product lines. The choice of scope will depend on factors such as the company size, resources, customer base, and strategic goals. A phase or hybrid approach can also be effective, allowing Walmart to adapt and scale the initiative over time. Thank you.